What is up, party people? My name is Daryl, and today in this video, you are going to learn how to start your own online t-shirt business from scratch with no experience required and very little startup cost. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to first design your website. In fact, you're going to get this template for free in this video. After that, we're going to be designing your products for free, and then we're going to have another company package and ship your products so you never even have to leave your house. You can be lazy and make money at the same time. So in this video, I promise you, if you watch this all the way from start to finish, you're going to be able to start your fully automated t-shirt business online at home. So first, let me go ahead and talk about what you're going to learn in this video to just kind of give you details on exactly how this works. So basically what we're going to do is we're first going to go ahead and pick the style of clothing that you want. So you can pick men's, you can pick women's clothing, you can pick shirts, V-necks, t-shirts, you can even have apparel as well. After that, you can go ahead and put your logo on it. You can put other brands on it. You can put text on it, anything that you want. So here you can see that I am actually designing this t-shirt. This is more for developers. It's kind of a joke, but you might want to put on your own brand or whatever you want. You can go ahead and upload an image. And if you don't have an image or a logo, don't worry about it, because I'm going to give you a website where you can get a designer to make something really nice or even make your logo for just $5. It's really, really cheap. After you go ahead and design your product, you can then go ahead and put the profit margin. So how much money do you want to make from your t-shirts? So for instance, right here, we have the shirt costing us $12. I'm gonna list it for $29 and I'm gonna get a 35% profit margin of $17. Now again, you can put your prices on however you want. We'll talk more about that in this video. And after you make the product, it's actually going to automatically sync to your store, so you never have to make anything. You don't have to do any images. Everything is automated. It's going to be syncing right to your store, making it a very simple and fast process. And of course, I'll show you how to design this page. We'll talk about how you can, make this look nicer, change the colors, etc. You don't have to use these same colors. And after that, you're going to see that the products are now available. So this is exactly what your customers are going to see when they come to your store. They're going to see this thing cost $30. They can go ahead and select a size. And after that, they can go ahead and check out. In fact, right now, I'm going to show you just exactly how your customers are going to check out on your website. So here I actually bought the shirt. I put in my order. I put in my test mode credit card. And now you can see that I'm placing the order. And once the order is placed, then your customers are going to get an email. You're going to get an email. The company's going to automatically ship the product for you, so you never have to do anything. Lazy money. Yes, that is right. Here you can see that the order went through, and you'll get an email that looks just like this, where your company's going to say, hey, someone bought something. We're going to go ahead and ship it for you. No problem. They're going to get their own email as well. And that would be the end of it. Now, in case you want to know how to build this site, you're not sure, saying, I don't know, Daryl, I've seen a lot of builders that aren't good. We're going to be using a drag and drop builder. In fact, WordPress powers more than 1/3 of the internet. So if you're using Shopify, if you're using BigCommerce, dear God, I hope you're not. But if you are, you can use this. It's much better, and it's actually free. So for example, right here, you can just change this to like our amazing company. And then, you can go ahead and just say, I want to go ahead and change this image. And don't worry about it, because I'm going to show you how to basically do everything in detail. So the page builder is very simple to learn. It's literally just drag and drop. You can just, drag anything like that and drop. It's very simple. It's not difficult at all. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set all of this up. So if you want to go ahead and start your own t-shirt business from scratch so you can work at home, in this video, I'm going to go through step by step. We're first going to talk about how to register your domain and hosting. After that, I'm going to show you how to set up the website, create the products, and then sync it. And lastly, we will go through, maybe you can even go ahead and publish it on Facebook. Now, this is also a great way on how to make money. So once you actually get the products, you can link it to your Facebook page. You can actually go ahead and boost the post. Now, I actually made this for tutorial purposes because I don't want I didn't want all of my my viewers to comment on everything. So you can see right here, I have a lot of comments, but I didn't want them to see that. But for example, you can go ahead and put the product, you can boost the post, and after that, you can make money. It is that simple. If people online are doing it, you can do it. There's no reason why you can't. So if you're ready to start your own online t-shirt business, let's go ahead and go to the first step, where we're going to first go ahead and register our domain.